Welcome to this video on open access publications and initiatives. Open access scholarly works are freely available to read, download, and share, which helps promote widespread knowledge and scientific progress. Open access content is primarily shared through two modes: digital repositories such as PubMed Central or RxVive, and through direct download links provided by authors or publishers, eliminating the need for subscriptions. Key characteristics of open access publications include being free of charge for the reader, utilizing open licenses like Creative Commons for easier sharing, and being published in digital formats for global reach. There is a significant need for these publications. They offer greater visibility for research, create a wider impact on society, and foster increased collaboration among researchers worldwide. The benefits of this model include increased citation rates, faster dissemination of findings, and enhanced research impact, which all contribute to solving societal challenges and driving innovation. While beneficial, there are limitations to consider. These include funding challenges regarding publication fees, concerns about quality control and peer review, as well as complex copyright and ownership issues. There are three primary models of open access. Green access involves self-archiving in repositories. Gold access uses open access journals. Hybrid access allows individual articles in subscription journals to be made open. Open access initiatives are occurring at all levels. This includes national government policies, international programs led by organizations like the WHO or UNESCO, and internal mandates from academic institutions. Important resources for researchers include PubMed Central for Life Sciences, RxV for Physical Sciences and Mathematics, and the Directory of Open Access Journals, or DOAJ, for finding peer-reviewed content. In conclusion, open access is a transformative force that makes research more equitable. By providing free and unrestricted access, these initiatives play a vital role in our future scientific progress and innovation.